Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Candace and this is Candy's Hair Diary. Now before we get into the whole thing of this video, then I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and hit that bell notification so that you will know when I'm uploading my newest and latest videos. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Now today's video, we doing a wash. Y'all, I have had this in my hair. These are Miracle Knot braids mixed with a little bit of faux locks here and there. Like the perimeter, the front perimeter is mainly just Miracle Knot, not Miracle Knots, faux locks, and then everything else, for the most part, there are some faux locks up and through here. But everything else is Miracle Knots. I will definitely link the hair that I have in my hair, and this came from Amazon, so I put that all in the description box below just in case y'all want to try it out. But I am loving this hair, y'all. I will say I've had this hair in my head for a month, and I'm ashamed to say I have not washed it. I have not even sprayed any water on this hair since it's been like the first couple of weeks. Like the first week when I got this hair, when I installed this hair, I sprayed it. After that, I have not even sprayed it. Like I haven't even been twisting this hair up at night, and it has given me zero problems. So I'm definitely in love with this hair. Now what I do want to do is add a little color. So I'm going to wash it just to see how I feel about it, but I'm also going to be taking this out soon and doing some color, and I think I'm going to do just like a full head of Miracle Knots and making it a little bit fuller because the fall is coming and I want some reddish, brownish tones, like some chocolate, some chocolate reds, some berries, some notes of berries in there. But anyways, I'm going to, I guess I need to take these. I put like every now and again, I spread a few of the rings out just for like a little boho type look. But as you can see, my scalp is ready and it's like, yes, I need it. Now, I was looking for my regular shampoo that I typically use, and I like to use Ozzy for curly hair, and I cannot find it, so I'm just gonna be using my son's Ozzy. I use this for his hair and it's pretty good, and then I'm gonna be going in with some VO5 conditioner, nothing too fancy. So yeah, let me go ahead and take these out and show you guys how I wash it.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do when I'm good enough. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze when your love, you see. Now I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. What you won't do for love, you tried everything, but you won't give up. You in my world, only you make me do what I would not do. Body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had it. We should go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, no. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you say it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel direction? Really wanna give you all, but flexing for the old friends. Out of words, way that you feel it the most. But we took a picture, can't post it. Out of words, what you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say my, say my? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing.
Alright guys, so I am out of the shower and I let it air dry, which doesn't take long at all. Got my scalp all clean, so my scalp is still wet, of course. The braids are still damp, but braids are definitely still damp. But the curl has revived. Y'all see how luscious these curls are? I forgot because I haven't wetted it so long. I forgot what the curls actually look like without me just having to twist it. I absolutely love these curls. Now I'm kind of reconsidering coloring it. I don't want to mess up the curl, but they are so pretty. I don't, no. As y'all can see, it don't look bad at all. Like, yes. Now I don't know what to do. Now I don't know what to do. I still want the color though, because I want a reddish color. So I'm gonna have to work that out. Anyways, that was just a quick way of how you wash it. I've also seen somebody put on a wig cap and like really go in. Like, I guess when their hair was a little bit more fresh and they wanted to do like maybe like a bi-weekly or once a week wash, they did it so it wouldn't fuzz too much up in here. But I don't think mine's fuzzed too much. I mean, not more than what it already was before I even washed it. So yeah, and that felt good. Now I'm gonna go in, put a little oil on my scalp. I do have some other leave-in conditioner that I'm probably gonna put in as well. So I would say leave-in, water-based, not the too creamy, but I will say a water-based type of leave-in conditioner that you can put in, and also spray some oils. Go in with your oils on the scalp, not too heavy on the hair because you don't want the hair to start feeling gunky. So just keep that in mind. So you don't want to do too much of a heavy oil, but something kind of light, like a good little light spritzer, a braid type of braid oil refresher. And yeah, that's it. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I will catch y'all on the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace.